Okay Google, show me the highlight of Devfest Pune 2024.
Request our keynote speaker, Mr. Karthik Padmanabhan, to please come up on the stage and enlighten us.
I think this is my fourth Devfest in Pune. Devfest becomes an amazing platform for all of these people to come, engage, and showcase their know-how, and also share a lot of best practices and have good, like-minded conversations about their favorite technologies.
I just want to use this opportunity to call on stage the GDG leads. I want to start with Mahavir. Please come on stage, Mahavir. Then I want to call Swapnil. Please give Swapnil a big round of applause. Then Pranoti, Namrata. Please give them a big round of applause, guys.
Thank you, Mahavir. Thank you, team.
So get ready for an electrifying talk surf with Mr. Vishal Rani.
AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will.
Love the most about the GDG, and that's why we keep coming to our GDG events.
There's a lot of leadership, focus, and making sure Devfest becomes very diverse. I'm very happy with that. So Women Tech Makers becomes the right platform for getting more women into tech mainstream. So I wish them the very best. I'm looking forward to working with them to make sure the tech space becomes very diverse.
Devfest has always been a land of opportunity, a carnival, a festival for techies.
It's a really awesome event. And I mean, I had expectations, but this is way beyond whatever I was thinking, right?
Now I'm visiting to multiple Devfest, and so far I can tell you that the Pune Devfest is really enjoyable.
It's a great environment today. It has a lot of buzz. I see a lot of people who are energetic. They are trying to see how they can learn from each other. A lot of good booths as well about the organizations which are trying to present. I think this really helps in creating a culture of co-learning. Like what is happening in the market, no one has to be constrained only by the company that they work in. Especially very good for the startups because they work in a very small confined environment. So when they can go out and understand what the market is doing, it gives them an upper edge to understand that these are other avenues that they can. So it's a great place, great day today. Super excited.
It's great. This is my first time at GDG. I've known a bunch of the organizers for Devfest for a while now. And because the Pune scene, like GDG is a huge part of the Pune scene, and we've kind of been in touch for a while. It's my first time here. I'm super excited. The vibe's great. Loads of people here, loads of energy.
There's a lot of particular interest on AI, which is very good. So I expect a lot of people to pursue some form of career in AI. If they're not in AI, they'll try to embrace AI to make sure that they become that much more productive. I think it's all headed in the right direction.
Awesome.
Collaborate.
Inspiring.
Informative.
It was an amazing experience. Lots of learning and lots of fun. Feeling great coming here. This is my first time in attending GDG Pune.
It's a great opportunity to connect with the Pune folks and all.
Today I'm going to talk about the platform engineering, product management and AI. So we are going to explore about these roles and how they make the difference in the organization.
Experience is really good, and considering how it is really easy to use, that is something which I really like.
Yeah, Devfest, one of the primary promise of Devfest is great content, great talks, along with great networking opportunities. And I would say Devfest Pune has provided the right platform for amazing networking opportunities.
Thank you for arranging this good event. It's taken lots of effort and I can appreciate all these efforts that you are putting to make this event successful. Thank you.